Welcome back. So we are studying linear equations in two variable. So what is a linear equation in two variable? So we will see the definition as well as the example. An equation which contains two variables. An equation which contains two variables. So this is the example. 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So what is the definition? An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called as a linear equation in two variable. So here we are having the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c. So this is what? This is the variable. This is the variable. Here x and y are variable and this is the coefficient 3 minus 4. This is the coefficient. Okay, this is constant term. Understood? So here x and y, whatever alphabets you are seeing here, so these are nothing but what? Variables. So how many variables we are having here in this equation? Two variables we are having. That is, one is x and other one is y. So we are having here two variables, two alphabets. Okay, and see, an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1. Degree, whatever power is there, power or index of this variable is what? 1. If nothing is written means what? It is 1. It is to be understood. Okay, it is understood as 1. So the power or the degree of the variable is what? 1. It is not 0, not 2, not 3, not 4. It is only 1. Degree should be 1 of the variables. Then it is called as what? Then it is called as linear equation in two variables. How many variables? How many alphabets? Two alphabets. And each of the alphabet is having degree 1. Degree 1. Okay? So here there is nothing on top of x and also on top of y. It means that there is 1. There is 1. Okay? To the power of x, also to the power of what? Y. 1. Degree should be 1 of both the variables. Then it is called as what? Then it is called as linear equation in two variables. See here we are having equal to sign also. Don't we have equal to sign over here? Yes, we are having equal to sign. So therefore it is an equation. Any mathematical expression which is having equal to sign, then it is what? It is called as equation. Okay. So linear equation in two variable. This is the definition. The general form is what? General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation. Okay, in two variable, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0. Suppose what will happen if a and b will be equal to 0? See here, I am writing my equation over here. For example, I am writing here 5 a plus 6b plus 9 equal to 0. Suppose these are the variables a and b. This must be real numbers. A and b, it should be what? Real number, and it should not be equal to 0. A and b not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then what will happen? This will become 0, and in place of b also this will also become 0. Plus 9 equal to 0. So 5 into 0 is 0, plus 6 into 0 is also 0, and this is 9 equal to 0. So this will be 9. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense. This equation will not remain an equation. It will not be an equation. Okay, it will not be called as linear equation in two variables because it will become 0. So therefore, in order to be a linear equation in two variables, the variables must not be equal to 0. Also, power should be 1. Suppose if I take power here 2, if I write here also 2. Okay, so 5a square plus 6b square plus 9 equal to 0. Still, it will not be called as what? Linear equation in two variable. Why? Because the power, now the power has changed to 2. It should be what? 1. Okay, but while writing it is not written. Suppose here there is nothing, no 1, no 0, no 2. Okay, it is blank, we can't see over here, but it is for understanding purpose. If there is nothing means there is 1. Understood? So the variable, the power, the degree of the variable should be what? 1. And also whatever variables are there, it should not be equal to 0. So this is the example, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation. 3x equal to what? 4y minus 12. So this was all about what? Introduction of linear equation in two variable. Now in the next session we will see exercise 1.1. Okay, thank you.